segment, create your first ARS database table, with the subtitle, Building Your First ARS Database Table, will guide you through the process of creating your very first ARS database table. By following these steps, you'll gain the foundational knowledge needed to set up and manage your ARS database effectively. Let's dive in and start building your first ARS database table. Let's discuss the ARS database system in Sheerpower, designed for high-performance database table creation and access. ARS, which stands for Advanced Record System, is an integrated database system included with Sheerpower. It is specifically designed to deliver high-performance read and write access with full concurrency at the record level. The performance is impressive, with table access speeds of over 1 million operations per second being typical. To get started with creating an ARS table, you need to download and install Sheerpower. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes, allowing you to quickly set up and begin utilizing this powerful database system. Let's get started with Sheerpower development by running SPDEV.EXE. After you have installed Sheerpower, you need to locate and run the SPDEV.EXE program. This executable should be available as a shortcut on your desktop. If you don't see it there, you can use Windows Search to find and run it. SPDEV is the integrated development environment for Sheerpower. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for both database management and program development, making it easier to create and manage your Sheerpower applications. Let's create a simple payroll metadata with some basic fields. First, we define an ID field that is 9 characters long. Next, we include a full name field, which allows up to 30 characters. Lastly, we add a salary field. This field is numeric, with a total length of 9 characters, including 2 decimal digits for precision. By convention, we create our tables in the data folder. This organizational structure helps keep our project files well organized and easy to manage. Let's move on to step 2, adding the ID field. First, open the table design window. In this window, add a new field and name it ID. Set the data type for this field to character, and specify the length as 9 characters. This ID field will serve as the unique identifier for each record in the payroll table, ensuring that each entry can be uniquely distinguished. Let's proceed to step 3, adding the full name field. First, add a new field and name it full name. Set the data type for this field to character, and specify the length as 30 characters. The purpose of this field is to store the full names of employees in the payroll table. Let's move on to step 4, adding the salary field. First, add a new field and name it salary and specify the total length as 9 characters. Set the data type for this field to character, which is the default. Additionally, choose semantics to declare the behavior of the data. In this case it will be money. Money says treat this as a number with 2 decimal digits. The purpose of this field is to store the salary amounts for employees in the payroll table. First, choose the key field, which will be used for fast data lookups. Decide if you want to allow duplicates in this field. Optionally, you can enter a record size, which specifies the size of each record. You can also suggest how many records might be on this table by pre-allocating records. Finally, select Create File to create the ARS table file. This completes the creation of your payroll table. Let's proceed to step 6, saving your table design. To save your table, simply select Save from the File menu. Once saved, your payroll table is now created and ready for use in Sheerpower. You can now begin using this table for your database operations. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first ARS database table. By following these steps, you've gained the foundational knowledge needed to set up and manage your ARS database effectively. This process showcases how to create a new database table in Sheerpower.